Here I got a lot more eBay packages. I'm gonna box them now. Sorry if I got dishes and stuff in the background, root beer cans and stuff. It's just my food that I ate, but it's no big deal. So let's box this package. It's pretty heavy. I mean, it's not terribly heavy. Yeah, I'll flip it on the side. Wow, that's big. I got this for my electric voice ceiling speaker. I gotta fix that, the bin, but it's not a big deal. I hope the ceiling speaker could attach to this. It's pretty big. Out this. Gotta be careful. I'm ready to get a shipping label in the box. Yes, there is. Got a plastic box for an 8-inch speaker. But oh, you got multiple of them. My God, I've never expected this. I only paid like $20 for this. This is definitely gonna fit most of my 8-inch ceiling speakers. I am glad. I needed these back ends. They're plastic though, but no big deal. 5 of them. So I can attach my Columbia 8WP and stuff to it. The ceiling speakers I have had a back box for a year. I am so glad. That was a pleasant surprise for me. I do need these back boxes. Move that all the way. I'm gonna open these last. These are the best of the best. Gotta get the lighter package first. This is pretty light though. Like it's expected. By the way, all those backings are made by Lowell. Got 2 ceiling speakers to go, but I only need to get 1. Hold on. Look at that. Pretty nice grill. From right, Jibu controls the 26C TT speaker. Not CTT, CT. Speak a little faster. Yeah, I don't need the other one, but if I get another one, I'll keep this. I'm not gonna throw it away or anything like that. Save this one for last. There's 2 speakers in there. Got another JBL CS S8004. I like these 4-inch speakers, so that's why I got another one. I'm not gonna put these ones in like a wooden box or something like that this time. Instead of using the backhands, I don't want to destroy them. Well, the ones I have sound pretty good. The magnet or anything, it's not crushing or anything like that. They almost fit. This is new, I think, not used, according to the seller. I only paid $11 for this. These are a steal. Get one of these. Like, I recommend it. These so much. Yeah, it's new condition. Not used at all. That is perfect condition. I like these a lot. That's why I got another one of these. These are so good. These are very loud. I really want to get other 4-inch speakers though. But those Lowell ones are so expensive. The D141072 speakers. I might get one for Christmas though. At least one. It's like $70 for a single speaker. I don't even have to test that JBL speaker because it's new. I've already tested these like multiple times. I might test it just to make sure it works. If I get refunded on the wheel lock speaker, I'm probably gonna order another TSS8004 speaker. I'll get a 4th one. And I'll probably get like one of the cheaper wheel lock speakers and do a driver swap on my wheel lock SA speaker, the one with the chip magnet. Got a Saga Elite speaker. This box feels weird though. I do have sensory issues though, so some things feel awkward. It makes me cringe when I feel awkward things. My God. Bigger than I thought it would be. That's a different cover. I would have 4 holes. I'll fit this in like a wooden enclosure or something like that eventually. Thought this would fit like a JBL bag can. I'll put this in like a wooden enclosure for sure. I prefer the 4-hole variant one. Mr. Mercury fits as the 4-hole variant one. I got the 2-hole. Yeah, these are definitely 2 holes. Yeah, the holes are very close together. I don't think it's gonna fit. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.